Hey guys, I have something that I want to share with you that I think is a must-have for any driver out there. It's the PI Auto Store digital air compressor, now with a superior new best-in-class pump. This literally could be a lifesaver when you're out on the road. Now it comes with a great setup, as you see here. It comes with a carry case, it comes with adapters for pumping sports equipment, it even has spare valve caps included in the package. And this powerful yet compact inflator is capable of filling a mid-size car tire from flat to 30 psi in under 3 minutes. It's simple to use. Simply plug it into your 12-volt car outlet, easily set the desired pressure by pressing the button seen here. The target pressure will be displayed on the new, improved, and larger backlit LCD display gauge. Then simply inflate your tire. It even has this new quick connector to attach to your tire valve. Just put on, push the lever down, and fill. When you're done, simply lift the lever and detach with almost no air escaping. The microprocessor that's built into this digital tire inflator is going to automatically stop when the tire reaches your desired level of air pressure. You know, this is just a great gift for anyone who drives a lot. It stores compactly in your trunk, takes up very little room, and it's made of superior quality components that you can rely on in an emergency. Not only that, it looks great, it's light, it's easy to carry, and it's great for using to fill your tires on your bikes, motorcycles, RVs, ATVs, and pretty much anything with tires. And this pump is quiet. In fact, it's the quietest inflator in its category, so you're not going to bother the neighbors when you're filling your tires. It also has a super powerful LED light that can be used at night to see the tire valve prior to inflation, or it can be used as a red LED emergency light for breakdown use. Just another awesome feature of this multi-purpose inflator. When you're done with the inflator, the cable is a breeze to store. Simply wrap it around your hand in a neat coil, put the connector in first, and then push the cable in on top. Once you have this inflator in your car, you're never going to need to go to a garage or gas station again to fill your tires. Now, and give yourself or someone in your life peace of mind when on the road.
Inflate tires in a flash with TireTek's RXi digital inflator pump. This powerful and portable tire inflator provides a consistent, reliable air supply wherever you are. The RXi delivers 40 liters of air per minute, inflating an average car tire in less than 3 minutes. The pump includes an 11-foot hose extension and 4 nozzle adapters, including a press-to-valve for bikes. Anti-vibration rubber feet and noise-eliminating technology keep the pump secure in place and quiet to operate. Other handy features include an automatic pressure shutoff, bright LED safety light, and heavy-duty storage case. And the RXi even provides a 12-volt outlet and 2 USB ports for charging other devices. Get the TireTek RXi digital inflator for your vehicle and rest assured you have the tools you need in a bind to stay safe on the road.
With an extensive variety of portable inflators, Slime is an air source for all your inflation needs. But the new Slime 2X inflator brings unmatched power to tire inflation. This newly engineered direct drive inflator is the first of its kind in the Slime lineup. This powerful yet whisper-quiet inflator connects directly to your car battery with conveniently oversized alligator clips. When using, always make sure to connect the red positive end first. This fully loaded inflator comes equipped with an easy-to-read 1 to 150 psi dial tire gauge that's protected with a rubber housing, enabling you to read while airing up without the hassle of having to locate a gauge. This gauge is located directly at the source, your tire. The dual-cylinder 2X with its ultra-bright LED light, heavy-duty carrying case and quick-read dial gauge lends itself to the most rugged jobs both day and night. Ultimate inflation power and bright LED light when you need it most. Recommended for its sheer power, choose the Slime 2X inflator. Like all Slime inflators, the 2X is quality built and carries a satisfaction guaranteed standard. With 30 feet of reach, Slime's new 2X tire inflator can tackle the toughest of jobs. On the job site or on the road, Slime's 2X tire inflator provides instant air for any tire, anytime, anywhere.
Hey guys, it's Tim with Viair. We're here today to talk to you about our consumer-friendly portables for the daily driver. Viair offers the most comprehensive line of fractional horsepower DC oilless air compressors for the on-road, off-road, and industrial markets. Since 1998, our quality engineered compressors have become the industry standard for automotive applications worldwide. We have 9 different compressors in our portable product line, suitable for any daily driver to inflate their tires with ease. Our portable compressors can be used by anyone who owns a car. Since it's recommended to check and maintain your tire pressure monthly, these compressors make it easy for you to do so without having the need to go to a gas station. Maintaining proper tire pressure is important because it helps your tires last longer, it's better for gas mileage, and it overall makes for a better ride, keeping you safe on the road. We recommend checking and inflating your tires before you start driving while the tires are still cold, since heat expands the tires. In this video, we'll be focusing exclusively on the 9 different compressors made for you, the daily driver. Ranging from our models 70 to 90p, all of them come with a 3-piece inflation tip and a carry bag. There's 2 different ways to power these compressors. You can either go into your cigarette outlet on your vehicle or direct to the battery. If you choose to go with a model that's going into your cigarette outlet, make sure it's rated for either 15 amps or 180 watts. The 3 models that power via your cigarette outlet come with 2 different options based on whichever preference you prefer. You can either twist it on your valve stem or connect it on your valve stem by clamping down. Starting with our 70p or our 74p, the max tire size is 225/60/18 with a 100 psi rating and 1.06 CFM, a 4-foot air hose, and a 16-foot power cord. Next up are 77 or 78p. Both of these models come with an illuminated gauge that makes it easy to read in low light situations. With a max PSI of 80 PSI, 1.06 CFM, a 4-foot air hose, a 16-foot power cord, and an LED work light. Lastly, for the cigarette models, are our most popular compressors, our 84 and our 85p. With a max tire size of 31 inches, 60 PSI, 1.26 CFM, they each have an LED work light, 3-foot air hose, and a 10-foot power cord. In addition to the cigarette outlet models, we have 3 models that connect directly to the battery. Again, if your outlet is rated for under 15 amps or 180 watts, you'll need to go with one of these 3 models. Starting with the 87p, it's the same model as the 85 and the 84p, except for the power source. It has a max tire size of 31 inches, 60 psi at 1.26 CFM. Again, it has an LED work light, an air hose of 3 feet, and a power cord of 10 feet. Next is our 88p, with a max tire size of 33 inches, 120 psi, 1.47 CFM, an LED work light, a 16-foot air hose, and a 10-foot power cord. It'll easily reach any tire you're trying to get to, and it's geared toward an SUV. Lastly is our 90p, with a max tire size of 31 inches, 120 psi, 1.21 CFM. It has a tire chuck with a built-in bleeder valve, a 5-foot air hose, and a 12-foot power cord. Now we'll get into how to use these compressors. First, remove the compressor from the carry bag. Before you power it to your power source, make sure the compressor is in the off position. Connect to either the cigarette outlet or direct to the battery. Make sure your vehicle is running at the time the compressor is on, or you risk blowing a fuse. Connect it to the tire's valve stem, either by twisting on or clamping down, and turn the compressor on. In order to get an accurate PSI reading, you'll need to turn the compressor off. Once you reach your desired PSI, make sure your compressor is in the off position. Unhook it or untwist it from the valve stem. remove it from the power source, and put it away in the carry bag. You may need to allow the compressor to cool down before doing so. So remember, whatever your need, Viair's promise is to constantly deliver performance, reliability, and value. Thanks for watching this video.